Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to report police on Waze. So first, when your Waze is launched up, all you need to do is click on this icon here at the bottom left, okay? And then you'll see more options. And here at the right hand side, you will see this icon, okay? So if you hover over it, you can see the police icon. You can click on that, or you can just tap on this icon and say what you see. Let's say you see the police at this certain location, right? All you need to do is tap on this and then choose, to report the police. You can just click on report, whether they're hidden, are they on the other side, or they're just police standing there, okay? Just go ahead and click on report, and there you go. You get a thank you notification and some Waze points, okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So there you go.